Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard 1200V Multi-Test Kit. What is BioGuard 1200V Multi-Test Kit? 1200V Multi-Test Kit allows you to easily test your pool or spa water at home. Test for free chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, acid, and base demand. Contents: Test 2. 50 dpd free chlorine test tablets. 1 ounce reagent phenol red indicator. 1 ounce reagent acid demand titrant. 1 ounce reagent alkali demand titrant. 1/2 ounce reagent chlorine neutralizer. 1/2 ounce reagent methyl orange indicator. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.